All right, greetings, family. Greetings. All right, this is another one of our. This is one out of 3 schools that we go to every year, and we have been coming to the Youth Institute of Science and Technology from October 2007 up until this year. And we usually go every October, with the exception of 1 year. So we've collected a bulk amount of money from everybody in our group, October 2013 group this year, and I'd like to give it to one of the representatives of our school. And I wanted to say some words as far as progress of the school, and give us some of the updates and some of the things that's needed from the school. That way, when you're watching the videos, you can you can kind of listen to the list of things that the school needs, and maybe you can contact us and give us some kind of assistance with the school supplies. Here's some details.
Greetings, everyone. My name is Cliff Johnson. I am the General Operations Manager of the Youth Institute of Science and Technology. Before I say anything, I just want to give my heartfelt thanks, and I'm not mincing words here when I say how much we appreciate this level of exposure, this level of love, and all the heart energy that's radiating right now. We are very grateful to have you here, and it's moments like these that bridge everyone on both sides of the Atlantic and let us all know that we are one family. Some of us look a little different, but we are all one family, even though they've tried to separate us. I'm here to represent this beautiful group of people, men, women, and children. We work very hard. I couldn't do anything without this group. We're one team, we're one mission. We are the Youth Institute of Science and Technology. Our mission is to create exposure and awareness, specifically in Ghana, specifically in West Africa, so that the children behind me, at any given moment, any one of them could step up and become president. Any moment, anyone could step up and become an engineer or a CEO of a country. So, a corporation, excuse me, not a country. But that's why we have cut and paste. So, we're very grateful for you to be here, and this is so gracious of you to bring all of these wonderful items. The children will certainly put them to good use. As far as our school, if you look behind us, you can see we are adding an additional 4 additional classrooms. You remember that the children, they start here from nursery and they go all the way up to junior high school. But after junior high school, we don't have a big enough building to even accommodate them. So what we've done is we've been trying to find funding piece by piece, brick by brick. Our new building is coming up. Our other main focus right now, we're a technology-driven school, so what we're trying to do is we want to build a mobile computer lab. We are taking one of the shipping containers. I don't know if maybe some of you have seen this, and they individualize them so that they have windows and internet access. That's our next goal, so that's what we're really trying to find the funding for, because it's difficult. If you don't own a building in Ghana, at any given moment, the government could come and say, okay, well, we have commandeered this building. So if we build a mobile computer lab, that will belong to YIST, and it can go anywhere, and we can service communities everywhere. So that's what our main objective is, outside of continuing to allow the fruit of Ghana to grow. And I just want to thank you again for being so wonderful and joining us this evening.
I appreciate you, and our sister Sass is here. Sass has been traveling with me the last few years. And I wanted to say something about the school supplies, especially these black dolls. I know you were one of the ones collecting the black dolls.
Well, first of all, it's a pleasure to be back at the Science and Technology Institute and see some familiar faces like you, like Ya from last year. This is Ya from last year, and she's a leader as well, and so many others that I see and love and appreciate, because the way we were greeted just now shows the extraordinary teacher faculty dedication to empowering African leaders on the continent. At any time, any one of these young people can step forward and say the words of Marcus Mosiah Garvey and the Kwame Nkrumah's 1957 speech verbatim. Yes. I'm like moved and inspired, Brother Johnson, by the faculty, the family, the unity, and the excitement that you all have welcomed us with so wonderfully, young people, so greatly. You just honor in our hearts and souls. We love you, and we appreciate you, and we know that our future is secured in you. That's a blessing, Bomani, and Africa for the Africans. I'm really proud to be a part of it. Yeah, it's a great team, and it's an honor to bring some of the supplies that we have. The dolls are beautiful like we are. They're black like we are, in various shades. We only bring dolls that reflect us only. And then the books and the supplies are, there are more to come. These are seeds that we're planting, and there's more to come. And I'm just really thankful for you, brother. Yeah, I say. Very cool.
All right.
All right, family, so we're going to close and take some group pictures.